Hello viewers, welcome you all to your channel Big Bull Trading. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding paper trading. Basically, what is paper trading, how you can do the paper trading, which software you need for the paper trading, and what are the benefits and difficulties in the paper trading. So if you want to do this paper trading, you can see this video. I think it will be helpful for you. So what is first of all paper trading? Paper trading means if you want to join the trading, you have to open an account, you have to put your money and you will trade. But if you are a beginner or if you are learning any new strategies, you want to try and check whether it is successful or not, it's better to do with the virtual money, means where you will not put your own money or it's no money is involved and you just trade that item or index or the stocks for few days to see. So basically, in a simple word, paper trading means you can do the trade in a demo account which is in the real time. The stock price is in the real time but no money is needed. It's based on the virtual money. So how you can do the paper trading, where you can open the account. For opening the account in the paper trading, you can do it in the tradingview.com. As you can see in the website, it's mentioned tradingview.com. In the detail in the sections, I will just put the link for you. If you want to open the TradingView account for the paper trading, you can just follow the link and you can open the account. It's free, no charge is there for opening the TradingView account. There are chargeables also, but if you are doing, go for the free ones only. Secondly, if you want to have a brief idea regarding how to use the TradingView, I have made previously already a video on that, on the TradingView tutorial. You can follow that and you can learn the basics of the TradingView, how to use these applications. So now I will show you how you can do paper trading without wasting any time. For example, if you want to do the paper trading, you can do in any of the items. For example, I will just show you the watch list. You can do it in the any particular stocks. If you want to do in the futures, you can do. If you want to use it in the forex or crypto, everything you can paper trade. For now we will show you in the bank nifty, for example I have selected. So for paper trading, once you open the account, you come here. In the below you can see there is a stock screener, there is text notes, there is spine editor, strategy tester and trading panel. So you have to click this trading panel. Once you click the trading panel, a page will open like this. Here you can even use your original broker and you can connect and do the trade with this, but for us we are only interested as of now in the paper trading. So if you want, you can go see in this paper trading, you just go there and you can put it in the connect. So once you put in the connect, they will again ask you to connect once more, and once you click that, it's connected. So your paper trading account is ready. They give you a virtual demo cash of $1 lakh. Okay, so if you want, you can trade. You will see the symbols. First I will take a trade and I will just show you. For example, this is the Nifty Bank Future Index. You want to buy this index. So you can go, you can buy here, you can sell here, you can directly do it in the screen. So you will go to the buy one. How much quantity you want to buy, you can put. But whenever you are doing paper trading, do it is the same way what you do with your original money. For example, in your original money, you are buying only one lot or two lot, then buy like that. If you are selling 2 lots, 3 lots, you do only that much, because you have more money here, you can do more amount, but try not to do like that. So for example, we will do it in 10 lots. Okay, so 250 share we put it. You can put it here the buy price in the market. If you want to buy, you can buy in the limit, or you can buy with the stop loss order also. How to use the limit order or the stop loss order, I have also make a video, you can watch that one. For example, now we are doing buying in the market price, so you go in the market, they will take automatic, and you can put your stop loss also. For example, you want to, when you buy, you want to put the stop loss at 35,135. So you will put it here 35,000 you want to put at the stop loss. Just example I am giving you, and suppose you want the target as 35 350 or 400. So you put like this and you go for the buy. So once you put the buy, you can see the order is executed. So you can see 250 shares are purchased, the stop loss is at this level and the profit is at this level. So this is how you can do the paper trade, and you can try your strategies, whatever strategies you have learned from someone, or you are new in the market. Don't waste your money or lose your money. For us, we don't know, when we start first time we lose lot of money, after that only we come here. But this is a great opportunity for those who are coming new now. There are a lot of applications out there and you can use these applications, so you don't need any original money to trade. For learning purpose, you use this demo account, and once you have the idea, once you are confident enough, then you go and put your real money. Later in some of the few videos I will share some of the strategies also. So when I will be sharing those strategies, you can just try in this demo account in the paper trading, and once you are confident enough, then you can go. And later, if you want to open any new account also, you can open in Zerodha or Upstocks or Angel Broking. Many brokers are there. I will put the link of the Zerodha and Upstocks also. If you are interested, you can just click this one and you can directly open the account with them. So now I will tell you what are the advantages and difficulties in this paper trading. See, first benefit is that you are not losing your hard earned money. You can try here for free. This is a very big advantage. For the purpose of learning, it gives a lot of advantage. You don't need any money is required, or even if you lose the money, you will not lose anything. Okay, this is the advantage of this paper trading. But what are the difficulties in this paper trading? In difficulties means, whenever you are doing paper trade, your money is not involved. So basically the emotions is quite less. For example, if you lose, you will tell, okay, it's okay, no problem, I lose, okay, I have not done with my original money. But if you win, you will feel, oh my god, if I have done with my original money today, I would have earned. So the seriousness is little bit less. So when you are doing the paper trading, try to do it with your full attention and care. You feel like this is your own money, and do in the same lots what you do the trade, because here you can increase the trade. So suppose you can see now I have taken the trade, there is a profit, some profits are going on. Okay, so you feel, okay, I want to take the profit. You can take the profit also. How will you take the profit? I will show you. Just go to this cross button. Once you put in the close, there is an option of partial close and there is a full close. If you click in the partial close, for example, you want to close 8 lots, so you just put it how much you want, you put it, it will be executed. See, it's executed. So 2 lots is left. You want to close that one also, just go and close the position, it will be closed. So this is how the paper trading is done. And one more thing also in this, after you finish the trade, if you go in the paper trading column and you go in the account history, you can check the record, which one you make profit, which one you make loss, like that. And I will show you one more thing. For example, again, if we buy in 25 quantity, for example, here, once you purchase this one, you can see the details also. You have to go to the paper trading column and go to the trading journal. You can see all the trades what you have taken. And for the open positions, go to the positions. Here you can see the bank nifty, you have gone on the long side. This is the quantity, this is the average fuel price, and this is the profit or loss what you are making. Everything you can see here. If you, for example, want to put the stop loss and profit target amount, that also you can do it again. After pressing the order also you can put it. For example, you want to put the stop loss as 35,140 and you want to put the target as 35,300, you can put it that one also. See, and it will show in the order also. So in the order this is placed, this is the target, this is the stop loss. This is how you can adjust. If you want to change the target, you can do it here and just modify. This is a very easy software to use, and once you go there you can see also what is your target amount, what is your stop loss amount, every details is mentioned here. So this is really a very good software for for the paper trading, you can try this one.